What's up guys, it's Suchi. Today's gonna be kind of a shorter video because I didn't have a lot of time today. Like I had to do my senior design project on top of like trying to fix my Integra, but I did get a new exhaust. Here, I'll just cut to the clip, show you guys. I just picked up the exhaust 120. I'm pretty sure it's a no-name exhaust off eBay. They're like 200 bucks usually for the whole catback. But yeah, I didn't even need to use my trunk because the whole thing just fit in my back seat. So perks of having a Camry, well, my family has a Camry, not me, but yeah, always have a 4-door to pick up parts because this shit would not fit in my GSR or my RX-7. Definitely not my RX-7. All right, I just pulled this whole exhaust off. Took like 30 minutes. There's the old, underneath is the old exhaust. As you can see, it's a POS and it's like 2 inches wide and it sucks. So you got this eBay exhaust for like 120. It's probably not gonna fit, but I'm gonna make it fit because it has to fit because I paid for it. And this mid pipe's already done. The right one's the OEM one, or modified OEM one, and the left one's the eBay one. As you can see, the hangers already do not link up, so I'm gonna have to go to exhaust shop, cut them off, and have them re-welded so I can hang it. I just finished working on the Integra. Yeah, it's all on all fours right now. I had to use my old S bracket or S pipe because the other one was too short, but I have the whole thing up. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's connected to the cat right there. It's all the way through. And then this is that's my hanger system now. It's a bunch of wires. It's literally like zip ties, pretty much metal zip ties. It goes all the way through. The rear, this muffler it's touching. Oh, I also, you know, perks of working on your own car, right? You get some battle scars, but you know, it's all worth it. So this is like touching the bumper. So that's not good. It's gonna melt the bumper. But as far as fitment goes, I mean, I don't know, you guys be the judge. I don't know. I mean, it's okay. It's angled out a little. I have to bring it to the muffler shop, obviously. This is not the final product. But yeah, I'm about to do a sound test, so. Alright guys, these are the old hangers. I still need to get the exhaust shop to fix that, but about to cold start it right now. See what it sounds like. Okay. Alright. It's actually not that loud. It's actually, oh, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's not that loud. Sorry, I'm gonna need to test this because there's no vibration because it's touching the bumper. All right. It's a little raspy. It's just a little raspy, but that's okay. Because once I hit VTEC, it doesn't matter, I'm gone. All right, anyways. All right, guys, currently driving the Integra. Honestly, it doesn't sound like complete doo-doo. Like here, this is in 5th gear. This is like cruising at 40, probably like 2,000 RPM. There's no like drone. Oh, let me shift down. Oh, I can't shift down. Hold on. This 3rd gear, cruising at like, this is like 4K RPM. It's not that bad. Oh, wait, oh, it's kind of loud now. It's kind of loud. Oh, I can't wait. All right, once it warms up, I'm gonna go into VTEC and then we'll see how loud it is. But yeah, I'm really curious, like, oh yeah, dude, that's loud. Oh my god, it sounds so rice. Wait, let me engage in VTEC. I'll go into like 2nd up here. Oh shit. Oh, dude, that guy almost hit me. Holy shit. Dude, that pulls so much harder now with the exhaust. Dude, VTEC just kicked in. Oh shit, besides that guy almost hitting me. Oh my, dude, it sounds so good with it. Oh my god. Oh, oh. VTEC just kicked in. Oh, shit. Oh shit. Dude, this shit is fast. Yo. Dude. Dude, this eBay exhaust is sick. Turn the camera on. Yes, $120 can get you a long ways, man. I'm telling you, a little bit of elbow work and grease, you know, and some hard work. Hey, you can make $120 work and sound good. Oh, shit, I like it. I mean, I like it. It honestly sounds like the crossover, the VTEC crossover is really audible now. It's very, very, very audible. And I feel like with when I order the 4-inch intake for this thing's gonna sound mad. Like, it's gonna sound insane. Okay, I'm probably gonna cut the video here because honestly, like, that was some nice VTEC. Maybe I'll do like a couple more posts later, but if not, I think I might just cut the video and upload this for you guys today. So once again, thanks for watching, and shit, I hope this heals, but you know, you win some, you lose some, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But there's another Integra upload for y'all.
Can you take a 4 or 5 to the pelvis? Plenty money going around, I'm not selfish. And the ladies love me, Elvis. Smoky gas, living fast, wearing velvet.